Good day to you, my distinguished viewers. What I have for you today? Inequalities. Inequalities. And these are the symbols we use under inequalities. Look at the first one, we call it less than. For you to remember and for you to understand it better, you can use your left hand as an example. This is an example. This is my less than, while my right hand is my greater than. Less than, greater than. My less than with another line under it is called less than or equal to. Same thing applies to this. This and another line is called greater than or equal to. Why you're familiar with this, so we call this one equal to. Why I use a line to cross this one means not equal to. So let's quickly use this to see if you can answer this question. The instruction says state whether each of these is true or false. That means T is representing true, while F is representing false. Look at the first question. 13 is greater than 5. That is true. I hope you all agree with me. 13 is greater, that's true. 0 is less than 7 minus 7. My 7 minus 7 also is 0. So that means 0 is less than 0. 0 is not less than 0, so it's false. It's supposed to be 0 is equal to 0. So this next one is 15 is greater, minus 15 is greater than 7. Minus 15 is not greater than 7, it is less than 7. So that is why my answer is false. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is less than 10. That is false because 12 is greater than 10. The next one, 22 is less than 24. True. The last two, but not the least, that's 14 minus 6, which is what? 8. Is my 8 greater than 8? No. 8 is equal to it, that's false. Next one. Now let's solve this question. We have to write down the inequality shown in this graph. Look at the first graph. I want to write down the inequality. For me to do this, it's very simple. What will I do? If you look at this line, it's an horizontal line. So that means my horizontal line is representing my x-axis. That's why I'm using the letter x for all this. So I'll just pick the x and look at the symbol here that I have on my arrow. So this one is less than, I just pick it. And I'll now go to the line to check where I have my circle, which is 2. That means this graph is x is less than 2. Let's solve the second one. The same thing, I'll pick my x first. Look at the symbol. The symbol here is greater than. Let's check where my circle is, that is minus 3. That means this graph is x is greater than minus 3. The last one, the third one, I'll pick my x, check where I have my arrow. The arrow is what? Less than. Where do you have your circle? On what? On 4. So my answer is x is less than 4. The second question says, sketch graph of this inequality. This one has been done, but now I want to draw it myself. So the first question I have, x is less than minus 1. What am I going to do? Let me draw my straight line. And if you look at this symbol, that's less than. That means it will be facing this side. So my middle 0, 1, going to 2, 3. Don't forget this is my x, minus 1, minus 2. So where will my arrow is already here. So that means I'm going to have my small circle of minus 1. So this is minus 1. Without any stress, just put your small circle there. So this is the graph of x is less than minus 1. The second one, which is x is greater than 0. You draw your graph, your straight line, and the symbol here is greater than. So I'll have it here. Don't forget to put your x. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So I'll just move on to where I have my 0. This is my 0. So I'm going to put my small circle here. So this is the graph of x is greater than 0. So don't forget to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my WhatsApp and my Facebook page, which is